What's up, Amazon KDP self-publishers? Check this out. This day, I've been waiting for this day for a long time, and it's finally here. We've completely moved Ohanashi AI Gen, the only storybook creator you need, completely powered by AI, that gives you everything you need to make and sell these profitable storybooks on the world's largest traffic platform. On top of that, you can also sell them as printables, separate pages, and you can even create videos around these storybooks. There's so much you can do with Ohanashi. Anyways, for a long time, it existed outside of the Bose Paws website. Now it's inside, it's faster, and it produces a more accurate storybook. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. Oh, by the way, if you like this video, I know it's not a great, it might not be a big deal for you, but if you do like this video, could you please like it, hit the thumbs up button, and subscribe if you want more videos like this, because it helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Okay, let me scale myself down a little bit. At the very bottom here, click Access or Launch App, I should say. And here we are. So you don't have to use any of yourself. This is amazing. Give me an idea. Okay. Now, if you know anything about Amazon KDP and self-publishing in general, you know that storybooks is considered, there's three levels of book content type. There's low content, mid content, and high content. High content is your narratives, right? Your stories, like what Ohanashi does. The second tier is mid content. Think of activity books, more like entertainment, more engaging books, such as coloring books, puzzle books, workbooks, educational books. And then we have the lowest tier, which I don't really create anymore. I do sell some, but those I created many years ago. I don't focus too much time on those. And those are low content. Those are your diaries, your journals, your planners, right? So I usually stick around the mid content and high content. Now, high content books was, for me, something that was off limits for the longest time, because these are really expensive to make if you're going to outsource it. And even with the advent of AI, you still have to collect the pages, format them for the book trim sizes, and there's just a huge hassle. Not with this tool. So I'm going to get myself an idea. Okay, like that. It's going to create an idea for me. The bear who lost his button, that works for me. Age range, ages 6 to 8. Very good. Plot outline, give me an idea. Again, I don't want to think at all. I just want the machine to do all the work for me. Okay, now I have the idea. I'm going to use this idea. Very simple. Now, what type of art style do I want to use? I'm going to put no preference, okay, like that. And suggest character names. Again, I don't want to use any of my brain here. I wanted to suggest character names for me. Okay. So there we go. We got Barnaby the bear, Pip the squirrel, Maisie the mouse, Finnegan the fox, and Hoot the owl. Very good. I can save these characters if I like the output. Chapters, automatic, author name, pause. And the cool thing about Amazon KDP, if you have one niche, I'm going off a little bit on a tangent, but it's really important that you listen to me when it comes to this. You can create never create more than one account with your Amazon KDP. You could only have one. If you have another KDP account, you will be terminated. Everything's gone, kaput, no more, finito. You don't want that, okay? But what you can do, let's say you want to go into a different niche, you can use your author name, okay? So you can have many pseudonyms, many different author names, and under each author name, you can go after a different niche. So if you have a series of books, mid-content or high content, doesn't matter. You can create a specific type of author name for a specific type of niche. So that's a really cool thing I can do. We can do. Actually, I don't use iPause on Amazon KDP. So, but I'm just giving you an example here. You can use any pseudonym you want. Just make sure it doesn't belong to someone else. Okay, really important. You can't be Stephen King. Okay, do not, give yourself the author name of Stephen King. Even if your name is Stephen King, I wouldn't do it. If my name was Stephen King, you know, purely by coincidence, I would not use the author name Stephen King. Okay, I'd use another name. I don't want to get into trouble. I don't want to get my account terminated for the reasons I just gave you. Okay, preferred page count. I'm gonna again use 0 and let's see what the AI does for me. Pictures every chapter, pictures every page. Okay, now image model type, I'm gonna use Nano Banana 2. Isn't that cool? Image variation per page, I'm gonna keep it at 1. And again, if you don't like the output, you can always regenerate. Really cool. Use Gemini 3 Flash for story text. Yes. Wow. We didn't have this before. Again, I can't stress this enough. Ohanashi AI Gen within the Bose Paws system is way better than just Ohanashi Gen. Key objects, suggest key objects. Again, I don't want to use any of this. I want the AI to do all of it. Okay. And before, when you have to create things, like I said earlier, it was a pain. Now it's very easy to do. By the way, I edited some of the options. I chose all of these options except for Gemini 3 Flash. I'm going with Gemini 3 Pro, okay? And my trim size is going to be 8.5 by 8.5. It's your standard square kids book type of trim size. Include author name on the cover. So I have the different items. And yeah, let's get going with this. Okay, now generate story. Now it's going to generate the story. This does take a while. Remember, this is layering different parts of your story. It's creating a cohesive story. It's creating the consistent characters for that story, and it's layering it together, formatting it as well as creating your book cover. Now, again, if you don't like any part of this, your book cover, if you don't like a certain image or a story type, you can always regenerate. And that's the cool thing about this tool. You're not paying a subscription to use AI. Even with the free AI models, you're capped, right? Which is not cool. If you get this, you have unlimited access. Really important. This does take a little bit of time, but what's really cool with now the Bose Paws integration with Ohanashi, you get this setup, this what's being done to your book right now currently. So right now, my ideal chapter count, we got the ideal word count, we got page outlines, we got table of contents, we got story pages, assembling story, images. This is amazing. Anyways, I'm going to wait until this is done. So I'll be back to you once the book is complete. Okay, now our book is done. Now, really important. It did take a while. It was much faster than the old Ohanashi AI Gen, but within Bose Paws, it's faster, but it does still take time. So make sure your computer's plugged in. Now, if you're a pro member, you can queue this up. What that means is you just click queue, you close your computer once it starts working, and once the AI creates your book in the background, it sends you an email with the link to your book, which is really cool. So once your book is done, you save it, you go to export story, and you got everything you need. If you want to edit some of the things like the margins, if you want to add a different author name, characters, images for a title page, you can add that if you want. You can add any of the character images if you want in the title page. You can actually add a website, okay, or a QR code for your website. Very simple stuff. You can show QR code. I got it turned off. This is just an example. What I like to do is make sure it's over 17 points for the font size, okay, because anything over 17 and above, I should say, is considered large print, perfect for a children's audience, right? Body font, you can use any theme you want. So you can use Verdana, Times New Roman, whatever you'd like. And what I like to do for picture placement, I like to do it after the page, and I like to increase the size to 100%. But you want to make sure the margins are still there, right? You don't want to ignore the margins, right? Really important for this. And of course, you got some more options here. You have PowerPoint if you want to continue editing. PowerPoint Legacy, PDF. I want the whole thing done all at once. You got Open Document, which is I believe a open source type of Word doc type of tool you can use. I don't use it myself. And Word document, okay, which is really cool. So I went with PDF. I downloaded this thing, and here it is, right? So here is the story and the pages of the illustrations of the book, okay? Again, this is a complete story. Everything is done for you, okay? And that's how you create a book with Ohanashi AI Gen, okay? You let the AI do all its do the thing for you. It creates it for you. You can either wait here on your laptop or your computer and wait until it's done, or you can queue it up if you're a pro user, and so the AI will send you an email. Sorry, Ohanashi will send you an email once it's done. So if you like this video and you watched all the way through, I want to know again, what type of protagonist or main character would you use for your children's book? Let me know. Okay, be good, take care, and have a wonderful day.